Look at this blanket. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a pig who has everything? I've got gizzles and gadgets galore. I've got plenty of things from the store. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the... Oh, wait, I was doing this song for everybody.
Hello, Pepe. What song were you singing?
Nothing. Just making it up as I go.
Okay, well, how are you doing today?
I'm cold.
Must be the reason for this blanket. It's pigs in a blanket.
Yeah, yeah, I guess it is. Okay, but yes, I was a cold, and so I was singing, and I'm kind of stuck.
What? You're kind of stuck. Do you want any help?
No.
Oh, okay. How long do you think you're gonna stay stuck?
A whole week or more.
What? You know you don't have to stay stuck if you don't want to. You can have other ways to solve whatever's going on.
I told you, I'm cold.
Oh, that was the one problem. You're cold, and so what's your solution?
This blanket, and not moving.
Okay, so you're gonna blanket and not moving. Is it working?
No, I'm still cold.
Okay, do you want another solution?
Nope.
Mr. Pig, Mr. Pepe, I think this might be a rock brain moment.
What?
A rock brain moment is one where you're just doing it your way and you're not willing to look at other things. It's kind of a rock brain moment.
This is the only way to stay warm.
But you just said you're not warm.
What? I don't know.
It's okay, Mr. Pig. Mr. Pepe Le Pew.
Yeah, I know, but I just don't want your help.
Okay, then it is kind of a rock brain moment. You know what? When I hear you say that, I can wait. And then maybe when you're ready, I'll be ready to help you. But I hear you that you're not willing to wait.
I know, I think I'm just gonna be stuck.
Okay, well, if you are stuck, it's kind of on you. So I'm going to let you be. You can keep singing, and who knows, maybe you'll work your way out of it. Bye.
Wait. Does that happen to you? Do you ever just do the same thing over and over again, even if it doesn't work? Maybe I do have a rock brain sometimes. I am a smart pig. I'm quite the ham. But sometimes I just get stuck and I only do what I want. Anyway, pigs, people everywhere, don't always get stuck. You can ask for help. I'm gonna ask for help maybe in 2 weeks or two, but until then, this computer's mine, this time is mine, I'm gonna stay stuck. Goodbye, world. Well, actually, I'm not saying goodbye. I'm just gonna keep singing. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?